इतना स्मार्ट नहीं था कि मुझे इस इंस्टीट्यूट में एडमिशन मिले. आप लोग तो मुझसे बहुत ज्यादा स्मार्ट हो. But today we have got two of the brightest young stars entering the. They have already entered the Hindi film industry, but now they are going to be making their big screen debut. I cannot wait to welcome on stage. So give a big round of applause for Khushi Kapoor and Junaid Khan, the stars of Lavyapa. Lavyapa, Khushi Kapoor and Junaid Khan, guys. Early morning, we are back to school. It looks like we have turned the clock back a few years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think when I was in college I ever came in so early.
I used to come only after midday. I don't want to give them ideas. Like कोई होता था ना हमारा proxy लगाने के लिए.
I don't think मैम हम लोग को फिर से यहाँ बुलाने वाली.
आप लोग ऐसा मत करना. Okay. So guys, the Lavyapa team is over here. Before we start asking them, quizzing them, before we start getting to know a lot about their journey, about their movie, now to dive straight into it, the first thing I want to ask you, trailer में ना, मुझे सबसे पहले ना, when I saw the trailer, when it just came out, New Excelsior में इतने धूमधाम से उसका launch हुआ था, we were all there. The first thing that struck me was when you tell Ashutosh, मेरे घर में जो मैं चाहता हूँ वही होता है. Yes, Ashutosh Rana is sitting before you, and then Junaid Khan is telling you like this way. But did you have to mentally prepare yourself a lot before giving that dialogue, before telling that to him?
नहीं यार, you know the best part about working with senior actors like Ashutosh ji and all, they bring so much to scenes, na. It's great fun. They uplift the performance of the entire scene.
That was one of the first ones we shot also, if I remember.
That was the first scene we shot.
That was the first scene we shot.
Wow.
And he has a great energy on set. Yeah, he's just fantastic.
He doesn't make you all feel that this is a very senior actor who has done, you name it, entire gamut of work. There is absolutely no intimidation while doing a scene with him.
Now Ashutosh ji has obviously been doing both stage and screen for like now decades. Yeah. And he's absolutely fantastic, and you know I actually get excited to work with such people. They bring something to scenes. They make you a better performer. Scenes always give and take, na.
True.
And he was always improvising also, which kind of added to the scene. He would just randomly throw you off and do something completely off script, and I think that would make for such a good reaction.
But then, personally speaking, how would you react to that? Like you have come prepared, you know this is what I have to do, and then suddenly Ashutosh ji improvises. What, as a young actor, how do you react to that?
I mean, I think you kind of have to ride the wave a little bit. You can't get started. You're in a take, and I think it's kind of fun because you also are caught off guard. It's a bit unexpected, but then you have a spontaneous reaction, and it makes something else. So I think it's a good thing.
Yeah, and he used to not. I mean, he used to not throw us off guard like that. What he used to do was normally short hota tha, he would do it how we had rehearsed it, and when Advait was happy कि ये okay हो गया, then he'd be अभी हम लोग के लिए करते हैं. Which we already knew कि भाई ये अभी हम लोग के लिए हम लोग इसमें मजे करेंगे.
Okay, that's a nice experience.
So there would be one take, and a lot of that got used because he would bring in a fresh energy. We would be going off that energy. We had already done it a few times because what we had rehearsed had already got okayed. So yeah, it was great fun. Yeah.
The next thing that has really struck me about this trailer is that it's a young, fresh rom-com for the youngsters out there with two young, bright, good-looking actors. No, there was a time in the Hindi film industry, I think this started in the early 80s. There was a spate of these kind of films. There was Betab, Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, who can forget that? There was Maine Pyar Kiya, DDLJ, Barsat, Ashiki. When Kuch Kuch Hota would come into that. Then suddenly over the last decade, if I was just going through the filmography of actors, it kind of has dwindled a bit. The only three films that come to mind are Ashiki 2, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, and Dhadak. And in that zone, of that romantic zone. So what is it about, today when we see two real young actors, two actors with pedigree in the film industry, they're not starting out. You started out with Maharaj, you started out with the Archies, though it was a young film, it was not a rom-com. What is it that y'all are not starting out with these films and y'all are making these left-of-field choices?
Well, I guess the industry's changed. I guess it's a question more for producers actually and directors. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I would have loved to start with a film like this.
I know, but I also feel like there's no correct formula. There's no handbook as to how you're supposed to go about it. You kind of have to follow your instinct and see what script connects with you. And you can't really guess what time what is going to come. So you just kind of have to go with the flow and take it as it comes. And I think we both obviously connected with the first script that we got, and then that's why we chose those respective films to do as our debuts. And I don't think it's a there's less rom-coms happening now. I just think there's more variations of it happening. There's been so many, but I think as we keep evolving, there's new subplots to movies and new angles that we're discovering. So love is definitely there still in all the films that we see, whether it's action or horror, that's always there. But I think that typical Bollywood rom-com with the chiffon sari and things
Yeah.
like that, obviously, it's not there as much anymore. But I guess we're making our own variations of
I think
it.
this is a very important point you made when you said that the word formula. Because I remember when I have conversations with a lot of seniors in the industry, they say the distributors, and since this is a management school, I would like to touch upon that. The distributors, the exhibitors, they used to have a lot of say earlier कि यार ये चलेगी, ये नहीं चलेगी, ये change करो, वो change करो. I think so वो काफी बदल गया है industry में.
No, I still think distribution still has a lot of say. Now, distribution has changed a little bit. It's now not only theaters, it's also OTT, but that's also a form of distribution. So yeah, I do think that distribution is still very, very. Matlab, you have to get your film out to as many people as actors. What we want is for as many people as possible to see our film. Now, if it was up to me, I'd say put it free on YouTube, let everybody watch it. But वो obviously practical बात नहीं है. So no, I still think distribution does play a very key role even in decision making.
So when it comes to Love Ya Pehla Khel said the script has to connect. What's the first thing for both of you all that really connected you all to this? Instant.
The hook of the film was what drew me in. Madhu sir had come and met me and he said, I have the rights to this Tamil film. I want you to watch it. I'm only telling you one thing. Boy goes to girl's house to ask to get married. Father says, okay, as long as you'll exchange phones for one day. If after that you still want to get married, I'm okay. It's a very, very strong hook.
You were sold there and
I was sold. I watched the film and I loved it, and like Pradeep sir has done a fantastic job. He's directed it and acted in the original. Just completely amazing. But I was sold. I was sold.
So Khushi, what was your instant connection?
Yeah, I mean, I had seen the original movie, and
Love Today, I think
yeah,
so,
and
yeah.
I really loved it. And I think immediately after the first narration, I was actually laughing out loud because the dialogues were so funny. And I think for me, Bani and I are so different in real life, and our personalities are completely opposite. So for me, it was quite interesting to be able to see her character and things like that. So I think in general, the story is just kind of what drew me in.
There seems to be a lot of humor in this film. Many actors say that comedy is the toughest thing to do on screen. It has to be very natural. I can think of two of the greatest comic performances that I've seen in my entire lifetime. One being Amir sir and Andaz Apna Apna. Give it up for Andaz Apna Apna, guys. I'm sure everybody has seen that. And the other being Sridevi ma'am in Chalbaz. Oh my God, what a performance that was. Knocked it out of the park. Coming to comedy, okay, the romance bit is there and all, but मैंने notice किया excluding the last part of the trailer, there's constant humor, constant punchlines. How difficult was it to deliver that in your second film?
Yeah, I mean, comedy is a challenge. But Advait has such a great sense of it. Sneha, who wrote the film, the adapted screenplay and dialogue, she has such a good sense of comedy. Even though before this she had written the dialogue for Maharaj.
Oh wow.
Yeah, Sneha Desai, who wrote dialogue and adapted screenplay for...
That's an entire paradigm shift.
Yeah, and she had written the dialogue for Maharaj as well. But she has a great sense of it. Uski understanding बहुत strong है.
महाराज में उसमें भी जब शर्वरी का कैरेक्टर आता है ना, हल्की हल्की सी कॉमेडी आ जाती है वहाँ पे।
So I think that is obviously very very helpful. But yeah, I mean, you know, actually you get to see that when we got to work with Kiku sir. Now, Kiku ji is a A-list TV star and he's a comic. In this film, he has a dramatic role and he's just so good. So I think comic actors can do drama very well. It may or may not always work the other way around.
Yeah.
But also, I think the movie was so situationally funny that everything that was happening to these two people was just naturally hilarious. I don't think we had to really take that extra step besides getting the timing right and things like that to really try to make something funny. Because I think that's kind of where you lose the magic.
When you try to force it.
When you try to force
yes,
something.
it has to be organic.
Yeah.
Okay, coming to the main theme of the film that has hooked everybody in the trailer. Phones exchange होते हैं. कभी ऐसा हुआ आप लोग के साथ कि भाई फोन किसी गलत हाथ में पड़ गया है? I mean, I say गलत, I don't mean a scary thing. मतलब when you were probably younger, यार मम्मी ने ये देख लिया कि डैडी ने देख लिया और आज अभी ऐसा लग रहा है, you know, फोन खुला रह गया. I'm sure somebody, we have all gone through that situation some at that time कि पासवर्ड किसी को पता चल गया, अब बैंड बजने वाली है. कभी ऐसा सिचुएशन हुआ?
मेरे फोन में वैसे कुछ है ही नहीं, तो आई एम नॉट वेरी.
You're being such, I mean, she's trying to, मैं बहुत ही अच्छी लड़की हूँ.
नहीं, actually in every interview we've said the same thing. They all ask us one question: do you both want to exchange phones? Will you both be comfortable? And both of us were like, हाँ, okay, like we'll
इसलिए
do
मैंने
it
ये नहीं
today.
पूछा कि we all want to exchange. मैंने ये पूछा था कि कभी डैडी वगैरह के हाथ में लग गया. Dad becomes scary.
Nahin, actually, and also my parents weren't particularly interested in my phone actually.
But you're not interested in your own phone.
That's also true.
I don't think you're on social media also, right?
No.
I mean, how is it to be so disconnected in today's day and age? I mean, Khushi is pretty active on social media. Moderately
I like
active.
my
Yes,
phone.
yes. But you are not at all. How is it? How can you be so disconnected?
You know, I was always thinking about that because I've been asked this question a lot and I've been trying to figure out, because when I was in college 12 years ago, I feel so old now. When I was in college,
And he's
12
making
years,
his debut and he's still feeling old.
that time there was only Facebook and
You're still only on Facebook.
yeah, I still have my Facebook account
Okay,
from
at
college,
least
by
on
the way,
Facebook. still.
FYI.
But I'm thankful you never said Orkut.
I had to explain to him yesterday what a DM means.
Are you serious?
Nahin, nahin.
Yes.
You had to explain to me what sliding into a DM means. I knew what DM
Oh,
meant.
sorry,
okay?
sorry.
मैं इतना भी खराब नहीं हूँ, guys. मतलब I'm old. I'm not that old. But you know, so I had a Facebook account, and you know, then there was at one point Instagram came, and there was a switch to Instagram, which never really came for me because I think I never really took photographs.
You're not a photo kind of person.
No, I've not taken. I don't take photographs.
Okay, so that's why.
So I guess that's why.
And coming to from one end of the spectrum to the other end of the rainbow, what draws you to be so active on social media?
I'm not some narcissist or something. I think I take a very normal amount of pictures. I post normal.
No, I'm the weird one, Khushi. This is established. I'm the weird one.
I mean, like every person, when you get ready, you take a
you're
picture.
like any other young person out there. Social media पे मजा आता है, जो मजा आता है. वो
I
हम
mean,
डाल
I don't
देते
think I'm especially active. I don't post so many reels and things like that. But if I take certain pictures of myself, then I post it. My phone is only my dogs, selfies, ugly pictures
हैं.
of
You're so
myself.
cute, huh? By the way.
Yeah, I love my dogs.
What are their names?
We have Mochi, not the jute wala Mochi. Mochi means ice cream in Japan, so we named him Mochi. And then we have Panda, and the Paps accidentally called him Kanda also, which is not nice. And then we have Saitama, who is named after a Japanese anime. Don't ask, my sisters named him. And then his brother is Bhaitama. So we have Saitama and Bhaitama. And the newest addition is Danger. He is named after Arjun Bhaiya's Singham character.
Oh, okay.
So it's a full house.
Yeah, it's a packed out. It's full house. Now, why I spoke about social media, because you know, earlier any debutants, if you pick Betab, you pick Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak, Maine Pyar Kiya, the famous debut films. You pick Barsat, Bobby and Twinkle's film, right up till Savaria. Whenever the debutants were coming, it was the first exposure to the audience, the first exposure to the world was that film, when the trailer came. Nowadays, exposure all over. Before y'all are exposed on the big screen, y'all are already exposed to a degree. People already somewhat or another know about you. So how do you all maintain, as opposed to everybody has, I mean, your entire
मैं
journey has been packed since years.
मैं आपको
वो
practical
packing
बात
culture ही
बता
नहीं होता था ना पहले.
हाँ मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकल बात बताऊं unless there happens to be a pap around who recognizes me most of
Or
the
a
time
rickshaw, I
no.
feel. Or a rickshaw.
I have
I was
never
getting to that. He loves rickshaws. Huh?
no matlab I find it the most practical way of getting around the city. But I've only had one rickshaw person who has recognized me and asked me for a photograph. I take one almost every day.
With the rickshaw people. That's so nice.
Only once, but it's only
Acha.
once happened that one rickshaw person has recognized.
Coming to, I think so, you would be a little bit in a better position to answer this since you are on social media. That anonymity and that mystery, that balance. Because obviously, when the actors coming, when a newcomer is coming, they want that mystery. Ki log jab पर्दे पे देखेंगे, they get to know about a person. But you all are already known somewhat. So
See, I don't really think it's something in my control. I don't try to be seen and things like that. My parents just happen to like taking Janvi and I out whenever they would go for functions and things like that. So I guess we were always kind of out there a little bit. And I guess it has its benefits and it has its setbacks also. But I think at the end of it, if you're in this position and you can't control certain things, you can't control certain things. At the end of it, we all want to work and do good films, and I think that's what all of us are just here to do.